If you notice that your WhatsApp app is running slower or you're running out of space on your phone, clearing the cache memory might be the perfect solution. In this tutorial, I'll show you an easy way to free up memory and improve the performance of the WhatsApp app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Follow the steps and speed up your device in just a few moments. So, let's get started. First, open Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the option Apps and tap on it to open. In the Apps section, you'll see all the installed apps on your phone. You need to locate the WhatsApp app. You can scroll through the list of installed apps, but to find it quickly and easily, tap the search icon in the top right corner. Type WhatsApp in the search bar, then tap on the app. When you tap on the WhatsApp app, its info menu will open. On this screen, look for the storage option and tap it. Then, in the storage settings, you'll see the Clear Cache option at the bottom right. Tap this option to clear the cache memory of the WhatsApp app. Once you tap Clear Cache, the cache data will be removed, freeing up space and allowing WhatsApp to run faster. This process does not affect your messages or settings. It simply refreshes the app's performance. And that's all, friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!